Hey guys, Alex here with Master Garage. We're gonna work on serpentine belt and AC belt on 2002 BMW X5 4.4. So, which I am surprised. I checked the all data. It's about 2+ hours job on that one. So to give you a brief instruction, jack up the car, put the jack stand in there, take the bottom cover off, just like that. So for the front, for the serpentine belt, there is I don't know if I can show it to you. There is two knot, which is my finger point there on that one, 13 millimeter, and one of them on the bottom. You got to go from the bottom of the vehicle. You have to lose them up. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's hard to say, but you can feel it just right on top of the tensioner. There is another 13 millimeter. So when you lose them off, the belt is gonna come off. And just don't forget to take a picture, or pull up the diagram. For the AC belt, the same way. These two. That was the same knot that I was talking about, 13 millimeter. You have to lose them up and release the tensioner, take the belt off, replace the AC belt, and use the 17 millimeter for that one, the inner knot, tied it up, and tied this both up. Do the same thing with the main belt, with the serpentine belt. Thank you guys for watching. That was a quick guide on that serpentine belt and AC belt replacement on this 2002 BMW X5. Thank you again, and God bless you.